Types of electrodes. This video is about 3 types of electrodes and presents ideas in this way. First, an explanation of an electrode. Second, 3 different types of electrodes are covered in this video. Third, quiz to review the information. So focus well to get 2 out of 2 at the end. The electrode is the surface on which oxidation or reduction occur. They may or may not participate in the reaction. Those electrodes which do not participate in a reaction are the inert electrode. How many types of electrodes do we have? We have 3 types. First type, metal-metal ion. Metal-metal ion consists of a metal strip immersed in solution of ions of same metal. So in our example we have a zinc rod immersed in a beaker full of zinc ions and we will use a zinc sulfate solution. And the electrode reaction of zinc it's given by producing the solid zinc in reducing 2 electrons of zinc ion. And now the Nernst equation will be presented. We have also the electrode notation. In the end, the potential of this electrode is a function of the concentration, more correctly of activity of the cation of the electrode metal in the solution. The second type, metal-sparingly soluble salt electrode. A soluble salt electrode consists of an electrode covered with a poorly soluble compound of this metal and immersed in a solution of the same metal anion. The reaction of the mercury electrode, which helps to measure the voltage, arises on a balance between the electrode metal and the ions in the potassium chloride solution. So each mercury ion gains 2 electrons from mercury on the surface between calomel and mercury, and the mercury is neutralized and becomes a mercury atom. And now the Nernst equation will be presented. We have also the cell notation. In the end, the electrode potential of the second electrode depends only on the chlorine ions in the solution. This example is called the calomel electrode. And the last one is a third type, redox electrodes. Redox electrodes are made up of an inert metal submerged in an electrolyte containing an element's oxidized and reduced forms. In this example we have a platinum wire is dipped in a mixture containing ferrous and ferric ions, and we find that ferrous can oxidize to ferric and give platinum an electron, as well as the ferric ion can be reduced to a ferrous ion and acquires an electron from the platinum electrode. The electrode reaction can be represented as the electrode reaction of ferrous. It's given by producing the ferrous by reducing 1 electron of the ferric. It turns out that the platinum wire does not participate in the reaction but is just a metallic conductor to give or take electrons from the solution. And now the Nernst equation will be presented. We have also the electrode notation. In the end, the electrode potential of the third electrode depends on what each half cell is made of. Now we have a simple quiz. Write a half reduction equation of an oxidation reduction electrode. Please choose one answer. What is the notation of the calomel electrode? Please choose one answer. So the correct answers are for the first is A and second is A.